Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is hedfan, which means fly. Hedfan, as in, rwy'n hoffi hedfan, I like to fly. Hedfan, fly.